BounceBit is a revolutionary platform that focuses on Bitcoin, BTC, staking. This platform has been exclusively designed for Bitcoin, and its primary objective is to create a Bitcoin-specific environment for executing smart contracts. One of the most notable features of BounceBit is its innovative dual-token POS staking system. This system secures assets by staking BTC tokens and the native tokens of the BounceBit network. The architecture of BounceBit is fully compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) and the Solidity language, allowing for a seamless migration for numerous ETH projects to the BTC ecosystem. In addition, BounceBit introduces the concept of the App Store and BounceBox, which allows users to rapidly deploy their own decentralized applications within the BTC ecosystem. BounceBit is not just a platform for staking BTC. It is a comprehensive solution that provides a secure and efficient environment for users who wish to earn returns on their BTC assets. It does this by leveraging the power of blockchain technology to create a decentralized, transparent, and fair system. Moreover, BounceBit is committed to fostering a vibrant and thriving community. It encourages participation and engagement through various initiatives and programs. These include developer incentives, community events, and educational resources. In summary, BounceBit is a public blockchain dedicated to BTC staking. It provides a secure and efficient environment for users who wish to earn returns on their BTC assets. With its innovative features and strong community, BounceBit is poised to play a significant role in the future of Bitcoin staking.